So hey guys, here is a question from JEE Means 2021, and this is a question from probability. Let's see through the question. The question says that the students S1, S2 and so on up to S10 are to be divided into three groups A, B and C such that each group has at least one student. Group C has at most three students. Then total number of possibilities is asked. The question says that there are 10 distinct students. That means no two students are similar. Let this be A group, this will be B group, and this will be C group. The C should be at most 3. That means the values for C are 1, 2, 3. Let's take 1 for the start, and there will be 9 students remaining. 8 students go for A and 1 for B. We are taking like this because in the question it is mentioned that every group have at least one member. That's what it is. And then there could be 7 and 2, 6 and 3, and so on. Here in the C group, any one student from the 10 students is taken. Here, any one from the remaining 9 students are taken, and so the remaining 8 students belong to A. So we don't need to separately include it. And 92 plus 93, C3, and so on. Let's see where it will end. It will end when here it is 1, then here it will be 8. That is 9C8. Here this is again A, and this is B, and this is C. As we know, the values of C could be 1, 2, 3. We have already taken 1. So this time we take 2. Rest of the students will be 8 members. Let's start from here. 1 and 7, 2, 6 and so on up to here we get it as 7 and here it is 1. We are choosing any two members from the 10 members, and from here we are choosing one member from the remaining 8 members, and the remaining 7 members will already be in group A, so we don't need to count it. And next we are taking 8C2 and so on up to 8C7. That's it. Now let's take the number of students in group C be 3. Then the number of students in group A and B will be 7. Let's see the possibilities. 1, 6 and 2, 5, and so up to here it will be 6, here it will be 1. Then 10C3, that is any 3 students from the 10 students, and then here the remaining will be 7, so 7C1, and the remaining 6 students will going in A, so no need to count it, plus 7C2 plus and so on up to 7C6. So the total number of possibilities is equal to, here it is the addition of 3 cases, that is 10C1 of 9C1 plus 9C2 and so on 9C8 plus 10C2 of 8C1 plus 8C2 and so on up to 8C7 and plus 10C3 of 7C1 plus 7C2 plus and so on up to 7C6. 10C1 will be 10, that will be 9C0 plus 9C1 plus and so on up to 9C9 minus 9C0 minus 9C9. Here 10C2 is 10 into 9 by 2 into here this will be the same 8C0 plus 8C1 plus and so on up to 8C8 minus 8C0 minus 8C8 plus 10C3 will be 10, 9, 8 by 3, 2, 1. Here 7C0 plus 7C1 plus and so on 7C7 minus 7C0 minus 7C7, which will be equal to 10 into this will be the sum of binomial coefficients, that will be 2 power n, that is 2 power 9 minus this will be 1, this will be 1, that is minus 2 plus here this will be 45 of here it will be 2 power 8 minus 2 plus this will be 1 120 into this will be 2 power 7 minus 2, which is equal to 10 into 2 power 9 is 512 minus 2 plus 45 and 2 power 8 is 256 and minus 2 plus 120 into 128 minus 2, 10 into 510 plus 45 of 254 plus 120 into 126. On calculation this will be 5100 plus the value of this through multiplication is 11430. The value of this through multiplication is 15120. That will be 5100 plus 11430 plus 15120. The sum will be 05613. Therefore, the total number of possibilities equal to 31650, and that concludes the answer. Thanks for watching.